Okay, very good. So a singular noun changes into a plural by adding es. How? But we just saw some words can be changed into plural by adding s alone. How come there is a different rule? Do you think like that? Come on, children. Are you thinking how come there is a different rule? Last class we learned a singular noun changes into a plural by adding s. But this class we are learning a singular noun changes into a plural by adding es. So there is a rule for that. Okay, children? If a noun ends with x, ss, ch, sh or s, we add an es to the word. Do you understand, children? So, what are the letters? Can you see the letters? I've highlighted it for you. What are the letters? Come on, type in the chat box. If a noun ends with, what is meant by ends? That means the last letter or the last two letters of a noun should end with x or ss or ch or sh or s. Then we add an es to the word to change it into a plural. Okay? Oops, I'm sorry. Okay. Now, did you all reply? No? Only Varnika, Nivan and Lakshya Reddy has typed the letters. Everyone come on. Open your mouth. Say it loud and type. Everyone, come on. I'm going to check who are all present in the in the online class now. Everyone has to type. That means I will understand you are all listening, isn't it? Okay. Okay, more answers. Come on, everyone. I will ask someone. Okay, Elan. I have unmuted you, Elan. Elan, I have unmuted you. You can talk now. We can hear you. Elan, are you there, Elan? Elan, are you there? Elan? I can hear some breathing noise or something. Come on, Elan. Are you there? Or I don't know whether it is some other voice disturbance. Elan dear, are you there? Elan? Elan? Okay, I think he left the meeting. Maybe he will be facing some difficulties in speaking or something. I will ask Pragati. Pragati?
Yes, ma'am.
Pragati? Yes, Pragati. What are all the letters that if a noun ends with that letters, we will add es to the word. What are all the letters?
X, X, S, S, C, H, S, H, O, R, S.
Okay. Okay, thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. So, children, please be attentive. Please be attentive when I ask you to read. Come on, be ready. If you have any technical issues, just let me know in the chat box. Okay. Okay. I can see Elan have tried to send me some message. Okay, I guess Elan having some technical issues or something. Okay. Thank you, Pragati. So these are the letters. So I guess everyone must have read the letters. Keep in mind these letters. These letters are important because whenever you see these letters, you will add an es to the word. Okay. So let's see some examples. See, what is this? Okay, enough sending emojis. That may distract someone. Okay, Elan. Okay. I will unmute you. Elan, I have unmuted you. Okay. Okay. No problem, Elan. So, the first word is, what is the word given, children? Come on, type. What is this word? Have you heard of this word? It's atlas. Atlas. Everyone open your mouth and tell. Atlas. Okay, you haven't heard of this word, Varnika. Okay, Atlas is a book that contains maps in it. Okay, it contains lot of maps. India map or US maps, UK map, China map, Japan map, all whole world. It contains the map of the whole world. Okay, you will get more details if you refer an atlas. So the singular word is atlas. That means how many atlas, children? How many atlas? Varnika, superb. That means how many atlas? No, Purnesh. Is it four atlas? At the left side, I am asking you, the word atlas means how many atlas? It means, you are right, many of you have given the correct answer. It means there is only one atlas, and this noun ends with the letter. Which letter? Which letter it ends with? S. Very good. If a letter ends with S, then we add an ES to the word. So let's add ES at the end of the word to make it a plural, right? So the word is atlases. Can you see? Can you see the atlases ES in it? Yes. So be careful. again I am telling you, whenever a noun ends with x or ss or ch or sh or s, we add an es to the word. Like atlas, the plural is atlases. The next word is, come on, read along with me, arch. Arch. So look at the last two letters. What are the last two letters? Type in the chat box. Okay, Elan, I'll try to unmute you once again. Elan is asking for a long time. But okay, Elan, I have unmuted you. Elan, what is the word? Can you read the first word?
Arch. Arch.
Okay. What are the last two letters of the word arch?
CH.
So if a noun ends with ch, to change it into a plural, what should we add?
ES.
Very good. Thank you, Ilan. Thank you so much. So, like Ilan said, he's right. We have to add es to the end of the noun. Now I will check someone. Crimson. I've unmuted you, Crimson.
Yes, ma'am.
Crimson, tell me why we have to add es to convert the noun arch into a plural. Can't we just add s?
CH is
Yeah, you're right. What you're trying to tell is right, Crimson. If there is ch at the end of the noun, then we should add es. That's what you're trying to tell. Am I right, Crimson?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Very good, Crimson. Thank you so much. So, children, I hope you understood. There is ch at the end of the word. So, we should add es to make it a plural. So come on, open your mouth and read this word along with me. Arches. Arches. This is arch. And if you add es, it becomes arches. Okay, good. Let's see the next example. What is this? Read along with me, children. Very good. Who is this? Pragati. Kindly don't unmute without permission, okay? Okay. So this this word is dish. So what is the last two letters of the word dish? Aksha?
Who is it? Who's done this?
Yes, Aksha? Aksha? I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the last two letters of the word dish?
SH.
Very good. Thank you, Aksha. Thank you so much. So, children, if a noun ends with the letters sh, then we add es to convert it into a plural. Okay. So, you should add es. So, how we read this word? Dishes. Dishes. Okay. Lakshya, ready? I have unmuted you.
Yes.
Yes, Lakshya. Can you read this word which is in the left side?
Yes. Yes, H.
Yeah, what is the
D-I.
word? Full word.
D-I-S-H.
What is it?
Dish.
Very good. So what is the plural of the noun dish?
Dishes.
Yes. Very good. So okay, thank you, Lakshya. So children, what have we learned till now? If a word ends with s, then we should add es to change it into a plural. If a word ends with ch, we should add es to change it into a plural. And if a word ends with sh, then we should add es to change it into a plural. Come on, let's see the next word. What is this? Who will read for me? Akshaya? Akshaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, what is the word?
Fox.
Very good. What is the last letter of the word?
Yes.
Very good, very good. So, super. I'm seeing responses in the chat box as well. Children, please everyone give me response. Because I'm not only asking I'm not asking one girl. If I'm asking someone that means I'm asking all of you. So Akshaya answers, everyone answer along with Akshaya. So the last letter is fox. Thank you, Akshaya. Thank you so much. Mokshit Surya, I have unmuted you. Now read the plural of the word fox.
Foxes.
What is the plural, Mokshit Surya? Mokshit?
Fox.
Yeah, what is the
Fox.
plural? Yes, you are right. What are the letters we are adding for the plural word?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You are right, Mokshit Surya. Okay, so if a word ends with X, to change it into a plural, we add ES. If you see the picture, there are 3 foxes. First picture, there is only 1 fox. And second picture is a plural because there are 3 foxes. So we add ES to the end of the word. Next word is Fahiza. I have unmuted you, Fahiza. Fahiza. Fahiza?
Yeah, ma'am, it's Fazia.
Sorry, okay.
Yeah,
Fazia?
ma'am, it's Fazia. Yeah, Fazia, are you there in the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Fazia, ma'am is calling you.
Fazia, what is the first noun?
What, ma'am?
What is the first noun that you can see on the screen?
Class.
Very good. Now tell me, what are the last 2 letters of the noun class?
Classes.
No. Last 2 letters.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. So, if the last 2 letters of a word is SS, like we learned earlier, to change it into a plural, we add ES. So the class is already there, we just add ES. So it becomes classes. Who is this? There is a ID called sridharan.ifn@gmail.com. Who is this? I don't know your name.
Ma'am, it's Varshini, ma'am.
Varshini. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Varshini, I am unmuting now. Varshini, I have unmuted you. You can talk. Varshini, are you there? I can hear some noises. That means you are unmute. Come on, talk. Varshini? Varshini? Varshini, are you there? Can you hear me? Varshini, can you hear me? Varshini, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Okay, she is not replying, though I can hear her. Varshini, are you there, ma? Please reply. See, if you face any technical difficulties, let me know in the chat box. Varshini? Varshini? Varshini, are you there? Varshini, I'm calling your name. Can you able to hear me?
Ma'am, I think there are some network issues. I think, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, she's an unmute only, but we can't hear her voice.
Okay.
Varshini, you can also respond us in chat box. Ma'am is calling you for a long time. You can respond us in chat box. Varshini, are you there? Okay, ma'am. Let's come back to her after some time.
Okay. Okay, children. Like I'm always saying, if you can't just reply me, just let me know through the chat box. Okay. So the word is class. To convert it into a plural, we add es because the last two words of the noun class is ss, and we learn if a noun ends with ss, then we add an es to the word to change it into a plural. Okay. Okay. So that's it. So you have to do a worksheet which is in page number 28. It will be simple. So come on, read along with me. In your language structure book, okay? In your language structure book, page number 28 and 29. Change into plurals by adding es. They have given some nouns for us. What we have to do is just change these words into a plural. Just I will give you a clue to do it fast. Just look at the last words, last letters of the given noun. First one is, quickly go through it. The first one ends in Z. Second one S. Third one SS. Fourth one S. Fifth one CH.
Ma'am, what number? Page number?
Page 28. You can see on the screen itself. CH, SH, CH, CH, X, SS. So what you have to do is just add ES to convert the word into a plural. Okay? So children, we didn't learn about that, right? Yeah, they have not given about Z in our list, but still I will tell you the bus. If you want to convert the word bus into a plural, then you have to add es to it, buzzes. Okay? Okay, next. Next page is write the plural form of the nouns below. Same thing only. Okay, write the plural form of the nouns below. So same thing only, same pattern. Just look at the last two letters SS, CH, X, CH, SS, SH, CH. All are in our list. All are in our list. All letters are in our list only. That what we learned that if a noun ends with S, X, SS, CH, SH or S, we add an ES. So all the letters are in our list. So you can convert it into a plural by adding ES. But there is an exception. There is a word called potato. Okay. So in for this word also you have to add an ES to convert it into a plural. Potatoes. Okay. I have shown the page number earlier. You can see the screen itself. What is the page number given on the screen? Come on, type the page number given on the screen. Can you all see the screen? Yes, you are right. It's page number 28. Okay. Okay, there is a confusion. The word business is singular as well as plural. The plural word for business is also a business. Okay, so but you can also write es. Es, that is right only. That is not wrong. Okay, so if you still need clarification, I'll clarify it later. Okay, Rohan. We can add es. It's not wrong. But the word business means it is also plural. For representing more than one business, you can use the word business, but I will clarify it later. No, Roshan, it's language structure book. Language structure book, your grammar book. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's class. So that's all. Anyone have any doubts regarding the subject alone, regarding today's topic alone? You can ask in the chat box. So I guess the class is over. Thank you, children. Haripriya ma'am, you want to take attendance or you want to tell something to the children? Haripriya ma'am? Haripriya ma'am?